Mazda MX-5 Miata Monza. Wish me luck. This should be fun.
Green, green, green.
So we qualified okay. We're nearest the front. We qualified third. Obviously everyone's going for the slipstream. Everyone's yellow for some reason. I don't know why.
Left side. Clear. Left side. The next car.
Take the inside lane. I don't know if that was the right thing to do or not.
Keep to the right.
It's worked, I guess. We kept third. There's been a crash behind. It's a half-hour race, so you really don't want sort of try and win it on the first lap. I'm not really particularly trying to go past this guy, but we'll see. We'll see what it's like in the braking area.
Still there. Clear on the right.
Sometimes you have to take opportunities when they present themselves, don't they? But anyway. Oh, I lost a bit of time there. Let's just get away. Hopefully the guy behind will work with us and we'll be sensible. We can keep with the leader. Like I say, it's a half-hour race, so I don't think this comes up very often, the MX-5 round here. I don't remember driving around here in the MX-5, to be honest. It's actually quite well suited, although there's lots of long straights. It is quite a lot of fun. You can make a difference. And with a bit of slipstream, if this guy gets the slipstream, we could all stay together, which would be good. It's got to get the tyres warm. You can take a lot of curb on the first corner, not the second one, because you're getting off track. You can take quite a lot of curb there as well, so just want this guy to get the slipstream if possible. We're all catching, aren't we? Maybe I go up the inside. Well, I was going to say maybe I go up the inside, but teamwork, he's saying. The guy behind. Maybe I bump draft him then. .1. I bump draft. A little bit. It's very early on, so he's got past. Has he got past the leader? No, he hasn't.
Left side.
Okay, well, that's four of us together.
Keep to the right.
And we have got a bit of a lead, so we can afford to
Keep to the right.
mess around a little bit.
Clear.
Not too much. Well, I don't mind that guy being in the lead, because the fastest guy is just the guy in front of me, so he's not going to let him get away, I don't think. What we don't want is that guy in the silver car in the lead and just driving away from everyone. That would be the worst scenario, because he's got a bit of speed, I think, on everyone. Not much. Couple of tenths, but that's all it takes, isn't it? Get away and all of a sudden the rest of us are just scrapping for the podium. I got a good run through there. I particularly want to go through here. Well, at the moment, this is okay, isn't it? We're not having to push too hard. It's within our capabilities. I can keep up at this speed. It's whether they suddenly start going quicker, that's when I might struggle. But if we keep to this pace, I'll be able to keep up with them without too much risk. Okay, so he's gone wide there. So we're going to go through, aren't we? And if I give this guy a bump draft...
Keep to the right. Clear on the left. 15.37. You're in second position right now.
And we're getting bump draft now. That's when it's dangerous, isn't it?
You're in the middle. 3 wide. Car on your left. 2 wide. Clear.
Let those two fight it out. Who knows? We might get a break here. We might get a break here. Right, I'm not going to battle him. At 0.75 of a second, this could be our break. I'll just bump draft him when we get to the straights. Oh, well, that didn't work. They've come straight back. We didn't do that very well, did we? We didn't do that very well. Okay. We're back together again then. I thought for a moment there was an opportunity there, but no. Although again, we're getting away a little bit here. Again. If I could just work together with this guy. I'm having to go quite slow through there though, because he was sort of right in front of me. I do have his slipstream. Okay, this guy's bump drafting, that's good.
Left side, clear.
He's a bit close to me there, wasn't he? Gave me a bit more of a bump draft than I wanted there. Into the braking area.
15.39.
He's going to push me past him, I think. I think he is.
Car on your left. Still there, hold your line. Still there, hold your line. Clear on the left.
Obviously have to brake a little bit earlier. That's going quicker. Let's see what we can do then. I have a clear lap. Can I do anything? Or are they just going to stick with me? Probably going to stick with me, aren't they? I should think. He'll bump draft him up behind me like I did. Like he did to me. Yeah, there he goes. I can see him. Yeah, no one's going to get away here, are they? Hey, don't want to do that. So they're going into second and I'm sticking in third, which I think is better. But who knows? They're going to come past into here. I think they might do. Or is he going to bump draft me? I imagine they'll work together now to keep up. Yeah, here they come. Yeah, no one's going to get away. Oh, that's the red car going.
Car right. Still there, hold your line. Clear.
They're both going to get by, aren't they? Yep, there we go.
Still there. Clear. 15.417.
Well, bump draft in. I don't normally bump draft, but...
We got damage on the front end.
Oh, damage on the front end. Did I hit him too hard, did I?
Aero might slow you down on the straight. Car on your left. Clear.
Oh dear, I don't want to do that. Hopefully it's not too bad. I'm still sticking with him, so I won't do any more bump drafting then. Obviously done too much. a bit loose through there.
To go.
Yeah, I don't want him to get away. They're getting away a little bit, aren't they? Hopefully we'll close up into this next bit. There we go. It's better. Oh, I got an off track. No, no off track. Thought I got an off track, but I didn't. It's telling me about the contact, bump drafting. Well, I'm not slow in a straight line, I don't think, so I think we're okay, but I'm not going to bump draft anymore. Don't want to knock my bumper off. Oh, it's cleaning my windscreen for me.
15.036. Just set your fastest lap of the session.
Yeah, I think I'm keeping with them.
The car in P6. Just set the fastest lap.
Just be sensible in the braking area.
7.
We been caught by anyone? I don't think we are. We've got a nice bit of a gap. Yeah, 4 seconds or so. Three seconds maybe. Seemed to be a bit slow through there. That was one of my best sections in qualifying, so I've clearly not quite got that right in the race. I've got a good run there compared to those two. Can't really do anything with it though. Just stick with them. This is going to be another 15 minutes of not making mistakes and then one lap of elbows out, I think. That's what we're going to be doing, aren't we? Who can hold it together? Those last couple of laps. Well,
Left side. Go.
neither of us.
Still there. The next car's the leader.
Oh, I don't believe it. So I was just saying, it's all about who can hold it together, and then I don't know what they did. He's bumped draft a little bit, but then he's just lost it, hasn't he? Just, and then he got together. I thought, well, he's just going to go through, and I couldn't stop, and oh, we're then sort of completely nobbled.
All clear. Punch it.
Okay, well, we'll come out behind 1 and 2. We'll let them go. And slot in behind number 2. And just follow them around, I think. There we go. Won't follow them too closely because I don't want them to think I'm trying to overtake, but we'll just follow them around. And I guess that's it. I'll call you back at the end of the race. Well, there we go then. So I just followed around number 2. Didn't really do a lot. Got into the 14s, but yeah, unlucky really. Just very unfortunate. But that's racing. We'll come on off and we'll have a look at those instants and see what it's done for our results.
Flag. It's over.
So here's the start then. So we got away nicely. We'll just follow it down because I think the start was quite Quite interesting, wasn't it? We sort of all got into line because slipstream's so important. It is a long old run down to that first corner. And there's always a chance for problems, aren't there? So we're not quite bump drafting, but we're pretty close. Now, I went to the inside thinking, well, I'd rather be on the inside than have someone stuff it up the inside. And it sort of worked, didn't it? Because that Valvoline car couldn't get on the power. And we were able to just sort of pull away and, yeah, follow. So, yeah, that worked out nicely. So what were the other incidents then? So we saw that one. Yeah, I was practicing with that guy and he was pretty quick. That's quite a few gone off in that first corner. That's a shame. Now, what have we got then? Pit manoeuvre. Just a bit of a rear end. Oh, dear. Goodness. Well, it's lucky he didn't get further off track there, blimey. Now, what have we got? More shenanigans in that chicane. Okay, well, he straightened him up for him. Well done. So we've got some more bump drafting on the straight. This is a 3-car bump draft. So we ended up 3 wide here, didn't we? Briefly. This is where, yeah, I thought it might go wrong, but it didn't. Now, what have we got behind? A bit more bump drafting. Okay. Yeah, nothing to see there. Let's be a bit more bump drafting. So we move on. This is the leaders again. More bump drafting. I think this is where I damaged my front end. What have we got here then? This is going to be interesting then. Oh dear. Yeah, he couldn't quite get stopped in time. Just about managed it. Is this going to be a pit manoeuvre or just a bump draft? Just a bump draft. Okay. And this is where they went off, isn't it? Yeah, nothing to do with bump. Oh, he touched him. He just hit him. Oh, unlucky. So it was Silver's car's fault then. And we were stuck and couldn't move. Unfortunate. Yeah, oh dear. Oh dear. Damaged. Is this going to be a bump draft? Yeah, I think so. Just a bit of a bump draft. More bump drafting. There's a lot of bump drafting going on, isn't there? Is this going to be a pit manoeuvre? Oh, yeah. People just can't seem to avoid them. As soon as you feel a touch, you've got to go the other way, haven't you? Otherwise, that's what happens, unfortunately. I mean, it's the car behind's fault, I think. But, I don't know. It's difficult to know who's driving in a straight line, isn't it? More bump drafting. More bump drafting. More bump drafting. More bump drafting. And that's it. Well, yeah, disappointing. That was shaping up for a good race, I think. But these things happen. Let's have a look at the results, shall we? So that was top split out of 3. I lost some safety rating and lost some I rating. So double red, not good. Lap time wise, we weren't the quickest. This guy here, he came out of the pits late on. I think he changed his tyres, but did a 2:14 flat, which is pretty good. I was just cruising along behind. So 14.9. I think I could have gone a little bit quicker, but not much. But yeah, just unlucky, really, wasn't it? Just one of those things. It's, you know, they both went off and not a lot I could do about it. Anyway, enjoyed that though. Good race. Good combo. Might try it again. See if I can do a bit better. But yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, then please do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.